In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock everything in your spreadsheet except for certain columns. This can be incredibly useful when you need to ensure that the majority of your data remains secure and unchanged while still allowing access for specific areas that require updates or input from others. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Data menu at the top of your spreadsheet interface. This menu houses various tools for data manipulation and protection, which are essential for maintaining control over your spreadsheet's content. Once you've clicked on Data, you'll find an option labeled Protect Sheets and Ranges. This is where you'll be able to specify exactly how you want to secure your sheet from unwanted modifications. Next, when you're in the Protect Sheets and Ranges settings, you'll need to specify the particular sheet you want to protect. This step is crucial because it allows you to focus the protection only where you need it, rather than applying it universally across all sheets in your document. Once you've selected the correct sheet, you'll see an option marked Except Certain Cells. This is the key to our process, as it allows for the flexibility to exempt certain columns from being locked. After checking the Accept Certain Cells option, you'll need to enter the columns you want to remain editable. For instance, if you want columns B and C to be editable, you would input BC in the available field. This is a simple yet powerful feature, allowing you to tailor the protections of your sheet to align with the specific requirements of your workflow or collaboration needs. The final step involves setting permissions for the selected sheet. Here you can decide who has the ability to edit the unlocked columns. Typically, you'll have options to either allow some users to have full editing rights or restrict edits to only specific people you designate. This is important if you want to manage who can input data, ensuring that only trusted users can make adjustments to the editable areas. Throughout this entire process, it's essential to consider the balance between protecting your data and providing enough flexibility for necessary edits. Remember that changing these settings can directly impact how others interact with your shared document, so it's usually a good idea to communicate any changes with your team to avoid confusion. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the security of your spreadsheet while still offering the flexibility required for effective collaboration. This approach provides peace of mind by protecting your data from unwanted changes while ensuring that necessary updates can still be made seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and now you can confidently manage the protection settings in your spreadsheet.